Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Edukutum. Here we will be learning about number system conversion. This is part 1 video in which we will study about the binary data conversion to decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So let's begin with the session. So we will study about number system conversion. The data can be represented into 4 ways, that is binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So to learn about the conversion, we have to study about the base first. So what is base? The other name of his base is called as radix. So first one is binary. Binary is a 2-bit system, that is it has 0 and 1. So that's why its base is 2. In decimal it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we count them, there are total of 10 digits. So the base of decimal is 10. In octal, if we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the base is 8 because the total number of digits if we count is 8. In hexadecimal, we have total 16 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after 9 there are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In hexadecimal, 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, and similarly 15 is represented by F. So that's why the base of hexadecimal is 16. Okay, so the next one is, to study more about conversion, we have to know that the 2 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1, 2 raised to the power equals to 2, and 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 4. Similarly, 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 8, and 2 raised to the power 4 equals to 16, 2 raised to the power equals to 32, and 2 raised to the power 6 equals to 64. So our first question is, we have to convert binary to decimal. So how we will convert that? Okay. So here I have taken one example. This number 1010111, it is a binary form. We have to convert this in decimal form, that is base 10. So how will we do that? It is very simple. First we have to write this number below, 1010111. Okay, then what we have to do, see, below 1 we have to write 2 raised to the power 0, then 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5, and 2 raised to the power 6. Right? Then multiply. Here 1 is written, then multiply by 1. Here 1 is written, multiply by 1. 1 is written, multiply by 1. Here 0 is written, then multiply by 0. 1 is written, multiply by 1. 0 is written, multiply by 0, 1 is written, multiply by 1, and put plus sign in between them. I have circled them so that you can understand more clearly. Okay, so what we have understood before, 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1, 1, plus 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, so 2 into 1, 2, plus 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 4, and 4 into 1 equals to 4. 2 raised to the power 8, 8 into 0, 0, plus 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, right? So 16 into 1 is 16. Now 2 raised to the power is 32, but 32 into 0 is equals to 0, and 2 raised to the power equals to 64. So if we total them, then the sum will come 87. So this is our answer. So this is how we convert binary to decimal form. Now next we will see another example, that is 110011. This is in binary form and we have to convert this in decimal form. So what will we do? First we will write same number below in a free space, 1100 and 11. Same right below, 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, and 2 raised to the power 5. Here 1 is written, multiply by 1, 1 is written, multiply by 1, 0 is written, multiply by 0, 0 is written, multiply by 0, 1 is written, multiply by 1, 1 is written multiply by 1. Put sign of plus in between them. Now 2 raised to the power 0 equals to 1, and 1 into 1, 1 plus. Here it will come 2. Something multiplied by 0 equals to 0. Same 0 plus 2 raised to the power 4 equals to 16. Next 2 raised to the power 5 equals to 32. Now if we total them, the answer will come 51. And it is our answer. It is in decimal form, right? But what if the binary form comes in a fraction form, right? So we will study about how we will convert binary fraction to decimal. So here an example is written 1100.100. So how we will do that? Same, write it down below in a free space, 1100, put a point sign, 0.100. Now what we will do that? Before a point sign, you have to write 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3. Same as we have done in previous question, right? And multiply by 0, same. You have to done same thing. Multiply by 0, multiply by 1, multiply by 1, put sign of plus in between them. Here point. Now after decimal, what you have to do is, you have to write 2 raised to the power minus 1, 2 raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, you after decimal you have to take the power in the negative one, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to the number, and then multiply by this number, multiply by 1, multiply by 0, multiply by 0, and put the sign plus in between them. Now do the calculation. Something multiplied by 0 equals to 0 plus something multiplied by 0 equals to 0 plus 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 4, and 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 8. Point. Same, something multiplied by 0, 0, 0, and this is 2 raised to the power minus 1. 8 plus 4, 12, point, 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now what we can write? 2 raised to the power minus 1. We can write this 12.1 upon 2. Now 1 upon 2 is 0.5. So the answer is 12.5. So this is our answer, right? Next we will study about how we will convert binary to octal number. Okay, so how we will do that? Same, write in a free space the whole number. Okay, so the first trick is divide the whole given number in 3 bits. Like, you have to divide this number in 3 bit from the starting from the last. So you will write 1 1 1, next 3 digit is 110, next 3 is 100. Now 1 is left, so we will write in front of 100. Okay, if nothing is left, then you have to write before the number 00, so to complete 3 bit. Okay, now what you have to do is, you have to remember a trick called 4 to the 1, right? The trick is 4 to 1, right? So what is 4 to 1? Now from here 4 to 1 comes, you are already understood that 2 raised to the power is 0 equals to 1, 2 raised to the power 1 equals to 2, and 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 4. It is a 3 bit, so we have write 4 to 1. So to remember in a better way, so you have to write 4 to the 1, 4 to the 1, 4 to the 1, and 4 to the 1, right? So now what is the next step? In next step, you have to add these numbers, like it is 1 1 1, so whose bit is 1, you have to add all these numbers. 1 1 1, so you have to add 4 plus 2 plus 1, here it comes 7. Okay, it is 0, so you don't have to count that. 1 1, so you have to add that these two numbers, 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Now here there are 2 zeros, so you don't have to count the zeros one, you only have to count ones. So it is 4. Next, you have to sum up only this row. Okay, now it is 0 0, so you don't have to count that, you have to add only 1, so it will come 1. Okay, so the answer is 1 4 6 7 in octal form, right? So I will repeat this again. Like, you first have to divide the whole number into 3 bits, like starting from the last 1 1 1, then 1 1 0, 1 0 0. At the last only 1 is remaining, so we have add 00 in front of the 1. Now the trick is 4 2 का 1. So आपको हर एक बिट के नीचे 4 2 का 1 4 2 का 1 ये ट्रिक लिखनी है, so to remember in a better way. नाउ आपको सिर्फ उन्हीं डिजिट्स को ऐड ऑन करना है जिनके ऊपर 1 लिखा है, लाइक 1 1 1. सो यू हैव टू ऐड 4 + 2 + 1 दैट इज 7. नाउ हियर 0 इज रिटन, तो आपको 0 को प्लस नहीं करना है, सिर्फ 1 और 1 4 + 2 6 को ऐड करना है. इधर 1 लिखा है तो 1 के नीचे क्या है 4, इनको ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज़ 0. नाउ हियर इट इज़ ऑल्सो 0, तो हम 4 + 2 नहीं कर सकते, 1 इधर लिखा है 1 bit, so we have write 1. So it is our answer. Okay, so now what will be if binary fraction to octal comes? Okay, so how we will do that? Similarly, we have to write this number in 3-bit form, like before decimal 0 1 0 and 1 0 1. It is 3-bit 1 2 3 1 2 3. Put the decimal. Similarly, after decimal, divided into 3 bits, 1 0 1 and 1 0 1. Same you have to done 4 2 का 1 trick. Okay, so you have to write 4 2 का 1 4 2 का 1 4 2 का 1 and 4 2 का 1, right? Now what you have to do is the same trick you have applied in the previous question. The bit which has 0, you don't have to add that. यहाँ पर 1 लिखा है, यहाँ पर 1 लिखा है, तो आपको सिर्फ 4 and 1 को ऐड करना है. So 4 + 1 5. The next one is 1 0 1. Here 1 is there and there, so you have to write 4 + 1, that is 5. Next is 0 1 0. इधर 0 है, इधर 0 है, only 1 is in between, so we will write 2. Okay, the next is here it is 0, so we don't have to add 2. Here it is 1, here it is 1, so we will write 5. So the answer is 52.55, right? So it is in octal form. So this is our answer, right? So now the next topic is how we will convert binary to hexadecimal. So before learning that, you must remember that A equals to 10, B equals to 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F is 15, right? So we will understand this by giving an example, right? So here it is a question. So the first step is you have to divide the number in 4-bit. Here you have to remember the trick 8 4 2 1. In octal you have to remember the trick 4 2 का 1. Here you have to remember 8 4 2 1. Okay, first we will write down the number in 4-bit starting from the last. 1 1 0 1. Next is 0 1 1 0. Next is 0 1 1 0. Next is 1 0 1 is left, 1 bit is left, so here we will write what 0, so to complete the 4-bit. So the trick is here is 8 4 2 1. Okay, trick is 8 4 2 1, right? The same criteria. 2 raised to the power 0 equals to 1, like I will write down 2 raised to the power 0 equals to 1, 2 raised to the power 1 equals to 2, 2 raised to the power 2 equals to 4 and 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 8. It is a 4-bit, that's why we have write 8 4 2 1. So just to remember 8 4 2 1. Okay, so write it down 8 4 2 1, 8 4 2 1, 8421 and 8421. Same condition we will apply. The one which has 0 we will do not sum it up. Okay, so it has 1, it has 1 and it has 1. So we will add which numbers? 8 plus 4 plus 1. So the answer will come 13. Next, it 0 written here, 0 written there. The number which has 1 bit, we have only add up to these numbers. So 4 plus 2, 6. Next, it is 0 written there, 0 written there. 1 is written there, so we will add up only 1 bits. 4 plus 2, 6. And 0 here, we do not sum it up. 1, 1, so 4 plus 1, 5. Right? So the answer come here is 5, 6, 6, 13. But it is not correct answer. Why? Here the answer is 13. And for 13, we have to write D. Right? So the answer will be 566 D. This is our correct answer. Right? So our next topic and the last one is binary fraction to hexadecimal. How we will convert that? So for that, you have to write this number in the free space below and same the write 8421 like 1011. I have already written in 4 bits 1101.10111010. Okay, and you have to remember that the base of hexadecimal is 16, not 6, because it has 16 number of bits. I have already discussed in the beginning of the video. Okay, so you have to write 8421, 8421, 8421 and 8421. Simply add those numbers which has 1 bit. It has 1, it has 1. So 8 plus 2, 10. 1, 1, 1. So we will add 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. Now it has 1, 1, 1. So it will be 13. And 1, 1, 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. So the answer will be 11, 13, 11, 10. But it is similarly not the right answer, because 11 is represented by B, 13 is represented by D, 11 by B and 10 is represented by A. So this is our correct answer. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. We will back again with how to convert decimal numbers to octal, hexadecimal and binary. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned to the channel.